Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile guys app lock setting, and today video title guys how to lock apps in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to set password on app, you want to lock any app, example you want to lock YouTube app, gallery app, file app, game app, Gmail app, Google app, you want to lock. So friends, how to lock app one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So friends, open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this tab interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone security setting. After on phone security setting friends, you can see this tab interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone app setting and press do pattern for app lock. Then you can lock app, you can set password on app. So friends, I will draw Z, enter security question. As I will enter here OK only. And remember security question, it is very important for you. If you forget your applock password, you can reset your applock setting after enter security question. Friends, click here done option. And friends, you want to lock any app, so you can lock app. So friends, I will lock my map app, message app, notepad app, share me app and YouTube app. I will lock. So friends, you can check when I will on YouTube app, share me app is locked, YouTube app is locked. I have password on share me app. So friends, when I will draw password, also friends, when I will enter password, I can unlock my share me app and I can use file transfer setting. And friends, you can check YouTube app is locked. You want to unlock your YouTube app, draw pattern, you can unlock YouTube app and you can use it. So like that friends, you can lock app in your Tecno mobile. And you want to unlock any app, so when open your phone app lock setting, search your app lock setting. After an app lock setting friends, enter your app lock password. Which app friends you want to unlock, right click here, app will unlock. So like that friends, we can lock and unlock app in Tecno mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.